welcome to the first edition of CIS Friday Morning News. For those of you with very long memories, our very first edition was shown about 15 years ago. Our purpose is to show you what's been going on in the school this week. We'll also feature interesting interviews with interesting people and occasionally make you laugh. In this week's news, we have the Mid-Autumn Festival, the school empties for an evacuation drill, Hangzhou News, and the new Atrium canteen. Up first, here's a short clip of CIS versus HKIS Volleyball. Our annual Mid-Autumn Festival assembly was held last Friday and the performances didn't disappoint. Let's take a look. Some really unforgettable performances. We always need to be prepared for an evacuation. When you think that we have more than 1,600 people in our building, practicing how we do this is super important. And so we did just that on Wednesday. Here's a clip. Our Hangzhou program is now in its 7th year. There are more students than ever, and this year promises to be amazing. Let's see what they've been up to.
Hey CIS, this is Jade coming from Hangzhou. This week we had a number of sports games ranging from the 2nd floor snow leopards, the 3rd floor pandas, and the 4th floor Qilings. This week the pandas are taking the lead with 15 points, following is Qilin with 10 points and the snow leopards with 4 points.
3, 1, 2, 3,
We also had our first basketball game against another team in Hangzhou. However, we did not win this time. We also had a number of students go off campus to participate in community service activities.
Stay up.
When did you come to CIS? Year 7. Okay. How has this new snack booth impacted your student life at CIS?
There's less people in the cafeteria. It's on the mess.
How has it impacted your lunch schedule?
We don't have to wait as long, so we have more time to hang out with our friends.
And you think it's a general positive thing for the student body? Thank you. So, how has having this new snack booth here, how has that impacted your lunch schedule and your student life at CIS?
It hasn't. I bring my own syrup. I just saw James. He was hoping he could buy me a syrup.
Ah, I see. Do you think this cafe has a positive impact on the student life at CIS?
Oh yeah, definitely. Because Josh, this cafe has a positive impact, right? Does this cafe have a positive impact on your life? Yeah.
And that's all for our very first edition of CIS Friday Morning News. If you're watching this and would like to join our team as a reporter, interviewer, interviewee, or anything else, please contact Mr. Top. We're always looking for people to help out. Now's your chance to be famous. Next week, we'll feature some amazing clips from today's House Challenge Day. Have a great weekend, CIS.